Hey guys, what's up? It's Anthony here, and today I'm going to teach you how to take your bracketed images, combine them in Aurora HDR, and create a truly amazing and stunning image. So as you can see, we have our 5 images here. I take the photos in auto exposure balance, and I take 5 brackets, select all of them, hit Control and click, and then hit Open with Aurora 2019. So once you click the images and open them within Aurora, this is the screen you're gonna see. You're gonna see exactly what the EV settings were. You're gonna see the photos sitting right here, all 5 of them lined up. So what you wanna do once you got the photos here is you wanna hit Create HDR. It'll say preparing, loading images. So yeah, this is the HDR image after it has been combined with all the other images. And basically the benefit of Aurora HDR is you just have so much control over clarity, smart structure, HDR microstructures, saturation, vibrance. I just feel like you have a lot of control over color and lighting with Aurora HDR, especially when you're editing outdoor scenes. I like to enhance the smart tones, bring some light into the image, maybe a little bit of saturation, not too much. We're gonna lower some of our HDR microstructure. And I also really like Aurora HDR because you can adjust the top and bottom gradients. So you have control over the top exposure and the bottom exposure. Aurora HDR does have its own filters, just like Instagram at the bottom. I don't really use those. I like having manual control over my post-production. Now, why would you want to use HDR versus just taking a regular photo? Well, I used it in this instance because there was a lot of shadows within the canyons here of Sedona. Wanted to brighten them up as much as possible. And when you use a HDR software and you take images in different brackets and different lighting exposures, you basically, when you combine them, you have more control over the lighting and how the image looks. I really like Aurora HDR. It does cost $100 on the Mac App Store, but if you're shooting with drones and you're editing and doing all that stuff, I definitely recommend this in Lightroom. But definitely give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, comment, tell me what you think. Leave me anything that you know about HDR photography that I may not know. I'm always interested in learning more. But thanks guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.